Okay, so guys, you're welcome again. So you're welcome to my live stream. So in today's live stream, I will be analyzing GBP JPY. So that's what I'll be analyzing for we here. That's what I'll love us to analyze here, GBP JPY, and let's see. I'll be sharing my screen with you. So it's a new week. Happy Monday to you all. So it's a new week, and this week I've entered the trade on GBP JPY. I entered the trade on GBP JPY, but it doesn't go my way. But it's still fine. Though it doesn't go my way, it's still fine because I kind of like put my risk under control. You understand what I'm saying? I put my risks under control so it doesn't go fine. And I'd love to show you my thought process and my analysis, how I come about that particular trade and my next trade, which I'm looking forward to get. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what I'm here to show to you right here in this video. So I would love to share my screen with you as usual. So I'm gonna share the entire screen with you. Okay, so my screen is I believe my screen can share with you now. Okay, so this is what's happening on GBP JPY for the week. So I'm trying to show you something. So pay attention to this right now. There is something that occurred here. Okay, let me go to a different chart and show you something very amazing. So this was the trade I entered before going into that. So this trade I entered this particular trade for a buy here. I entered this trade for a buy here, this particular zone. So you can see my levels are still there. So I enter for the buy and it hit my stop loss at that particular zone. So let me take this particular screenshot because I'm gonna save it in my, I'm going to journal it. And if you are trading, also that's one thing you should have. This is my journal. So I have my journal where my you can see emotions, what's going on, the trade, the date, and all of that. So what happened, the lessons learned from it. So I have a lot of this on my journal, so you can see it here. I have a lot of it recorded here because once I have this recorded, it's going to most times I come back here and I see to it. I see, you understand? I see patterns that repeat themselves. So once I see pattern that, oh, this is what I've been doing over the time now, and I have to, minimize how I do it, then I know that okay, I have to change something and it helps me. So keep journal. So this is what happened. Over here, I entered the trade and it hit my stop loss. So I know here might still be used as a liquidity zone. So what is going to happen is I'm not going to enter any trade right here. I'm not going to enter any trade. I'm not going to sell, and I'll be waiting for a buy, either a break out of this zone, then I'll look for a new buy. Or if I don't get the break out of this zone, so I'm trying to like balance it, so that I won't be focused on one particular bias. So I'm trying to balance it. So once I see a break of previous high, this high, then I'll wait for a new buy. So I am buying GBP JPY. You understand? Because it's bullish, it's uptrending for the moment. So if I don't see this happen, what I want to see is I want to see the price. This is where I'll take you to the next chart now, the first chart which I showed to you. Okay, so this is it. So if I don't see it happen, this is where I'll buy here. If I don't see that I showed to you happen, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the price to push down here. I'm going to buy here. If the price should push down to this zone, this is where I'll buy to that particular high. So this is what I have on GBP JPY. And how I come about this zone, you might be asking. So if you don't know how I come about this zone, you can check previous videos of mine. I use Fibonacci mostly for my trade. So once you check my previous video, you know how I come about my zones and I use my Fibonacci level. So I'll see you in my next video. I just want to keep this video simple and, you know inspiring, or bringing light to you to just see what the market is doing, G specifically GBP JPY. So I will see you in my next video. My next stream, it should be a stream, or I'm making a video about prop firm, how you can know the hidden rules in prop firm. So after I'm done with the video, because I've done it and I just want to arrange a video, then after I'm done arranging the video, I'll come back here and I'll drop it for you guys. So I thank you all for staying to this moment, and I will see you in my next stream. So take note of this particular point. This is our next. So once I see the market tap in there, I'm gonna use orders. So once I see the market taps in there, I'll go in again fully on, a I'm sharing my screen. So I stop sharing my screen now. So this is what I have. You can just can check, check on it and know what's going on gbpjpy. So guys, I'll see you in my next trade, and let's keep it safe, you know. Peace.